Hey everybody, it's Callan here again. Today we're going to take a look at the difference between Facebook ads and boosted posts. Now, if you've been around for any length of time, if you've done a little bit of work on Facebook groups or Facebook pages, you have inevitably probably seen the boost post button. Well, that boost post button allows you to start doing a boosted post, which is in some ways similar to an advertisement, but a lot of ways it's not. So today we're going to go over the top 3 ways that Facebook ads are more effective than boosted posts. Reason number 1, we're going to call it the same old thing, but that's because when you boost a post, you have to use the post that was already there. You have to write it, publish it, and then send it out, and you're just sort of stuck with that. With Facebook ads, you've got a lot of options that you can get a little creative with what you do with it and the calls to action and that type of thing. You just gauging on the way you want people to actually respond to the post and respond to the information and sort of that next step that you want people to take. You can also do something called creating a dark post, which is a post that's made specifically for the advertisement and doesn't actually show up on the page. Reason number 2 that you want to use Facebook ads instead of boosted posts is that Facebook ads allow you the option for more control over where you see the ad. Now, with a boosted post, you're only going to see them in the mobile or desktop news feeds. With a Facebook ad, you can choose the audience network so people can see your ads when they cruise around the internet on different sites. You can have it show up in the sidebar. You can have it show up in the marketplace. Video ad views. There's all kinds of options. Different options mean you're getting in front of audiences in different ways and finding new ways to stay top of mind. So very, very important. Reason number 3, scheduling. With boosted posts, you can't schedule it. As soon as you click that boost button and you accept and you put the amount in that you want to spend on it, it starts going immediately, starting to do what it's supposed to do. Where with Facebook ads, you can actually schedule it to start at a specific time. You can schedule it to be off during certain times. So if you want your ad to only show while you're open during business hours, so when people are responding, you're there to be able to respond to them immediately and give them great service, you can do that with Facebook ads. With boosted posts, you can't. That being said, boosting posts do have a couple of advantages. Boosted posts are most like Facebook's reach objective. The reach objective, its only concern is finding as many people as possible that are going to look at and see this specific ad. It's a great way to test the waters with a relatively small budget, albeit not necessarily a great way to get a response on it. It's a good way to see if your message starts to resonate with people. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. This has been the top 3 ways that boosted posts are outperformed by Facebook ads. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to dig into some of the other videos that I've done about Facebook advertising or marketing in general. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with a friend. Have a great day.